How to send disappearing photos and videos on Instagram. Here is the step-by-step guide to help you send disappearing photos and videos on Instagram. Now let's get started. Launch the Instagram app on your device. Make sure to log in or sign into your Instagram account. Tap on the Your Stories button at the top left corner of the screen. Here you need to select Camera at the top left corner to add any picture, or you can also upload it from your gallery. So let's tap and take a snap from here. After that, select the arrow at the bottom right corner of the screen. Choose Message and send it to anyone you'd like to send the disappearing photos or videos on Instagram. Tap on Done button, and that's it. That's how we easily send disappearing photos and videos on Instagram. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment on this video. Subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates.